All right, so I'm going to do this tool report on a website called Toptal. And the reason that I went ahead and found this and kind of looked into it was just because it really pertains to what I needed to do. I'm trying to build an app. However, I really don't have any of the design, much less the programming skills to be able to do so. And I know if I would actually want to be able to get this up and running, I need to be able to find someone who can. My initial thought was that I'd be able to find just college kids, but after kind of talking to other people through the critiques and kind of thinking about it a little bit more, I just don't know if all the college kids would be able to do exactly what I want to be able to do. So I went ahead and found this. So I'll just kind of give you a brief little walkthrough. Pretty much what it does is it allows you to go ahead and reach out and find um, whether there's financial people, and then like I said, there's designers and programmers, and it'll go ahead and help you find them for you. So pretty much what you have to do is just you hit this. It's a pretty easy to work website, and then so like I said, finance, design, developer. I need both developer and designers, but I'll go ahead and just stick with developers for now. Um, just put in whatever email. This is a really old one that I have from, I think it was like my first email I ever made, so lucky to see that. I'll just say, yeah, I did that earlier on a test run, and boom. Go ahead and get, oh god. Okay, sorry. Okay, so pretty much you put in what you want. I would say a new idea or project to build. And I go ahead and say yes to this, and I'll just say just 1 to 2 weeks. So really all you have to do is just put your number in, boom, um, and then so you put in the skills that you're looking for, and you can just keep adding, so make it really fit to whatever you need. But I'll stick with that, and then we'll just say, kind of get us going. And pretty much they're just going to reach out to me. So in a couple days, I'll be getting a phone call, and it'll actually link me directly. They have, I'll see if I can go back to show you. They have a bunch of different people on here that you can kind of look through, and so you can kind of see like who you'd be working with and what they bring to the table. But it really is just a nice little opportunity for you to kind of get the skills that you need. You can go and schedule a call with who you need to schedule a call with, go through, and it'll show you other people that are actually working for the company and like who would be able to help you out. So it's a pretty big advantage if you just don't have the skills that you need, but you have the idea. And the other nice thing about it is it doesn't actually charge you at all unless you're actually booking a person. So you don't have to worry about getting hit with fees. So that is TopTal, and it's definitely something that I could see myself using for this app if I was to continue to go through and make it. Thanks.